Welcome to ABS Automotive Tips, my friend. This is my channel. We learn from this channel to how to repair the ignition contact switch. And this your ignition will be stuck up. You need to lubricate. That is the hole, and that is around the key. If they stuck up, we need to lubricate. Put the WD-40 for lubrication. And that is the ignition contact location that I show you, like this, like that. That is the location of ignition contact. There is a one screw here need to remove, so before you remove the ignition contact switch, remove the one screw like this. That is an inside. There is a pin that we need to turn by the key position. Okay, and now I'm going to explain what is the function of these four wires. Okay, these four wires, we need to switch on ignition, accessories, and the starting system. That's it. Switch on, accessories, switch on, and starting system. Okay, that is starting. Okay, so this white wire is a positive line, the blue wire is the accessories line, the yellow wire is the ignition on, the red wire is the going to the starting system, starter motor. They need to connect also. Yeah. We're going to check. I want to show you before the start the engine. There is two parts with traveling the ignition, the positive line. There is also this wire going to relay. Okay, it's going to relay and travel to fuse, and directed to going to the starter assembly. And sometimes they're going also to the ATAX. ATAX, it means electronic time alarm control system. And that's it. We're gonna open this lock, the clips, like this, like that. We're going to open the clips, the 4 clips. Okay, this is only an example how to open. So I have already opened parts in the table. I show you. That is the okay. That is the location. That is the proper seat location. And then just wait. That's it. So like that. And now I need to open. To see what is the problem. This is the platinum, bronze plate. That is a bronze plate that is working inside by the pin, rounding like that, to touching the pin. So they will automatically connect the positive line from this point, from this contact point, like that. They will make it turn by the ignition key, turn on. They will also turn inside the ignition contact. There's another also platinum inside. That this one is from starting system. Yeah, that one. And you see inside the ignition contact there is a spring. You look at the spring. This small spring is weak. We need to stretch out or pull out or bend out to make it strong, because it's already weak. the fourth spring is already weak. That's why he didn't touch. He didn't touch the plate, and he didn't push too much the plate, so the plate is weak to touch the pin. So what we do to repair this, we need to pull out or bend out the spring to make it strong, so that plates, they will touch the pin closely, perfectly 100% touching. So we never lose the starting system. They will crank the engine, not late cranking. If your engine is a late cranking, this is the problem. The spring is weak, and it causes lost contact inside. They will sparking inside the ignition contact, and they will, after many days, they will happen to you many times. The starting system, they will not cranking automatically. They will not cranking by the turn ignition. It will come to late starting. Before you start, they will late reaction. So what we do, we need to pull out the ignition contact and open and bend out the spring. So the spring, they will push the plates outside. That is the work. That is a spring, how it works inside the ignition contact. That is the proper settings, and we need to close. There is also a guide. Yeah, you see that guide? They will also the guide. Yeah, you cannot make mistake because there is a guide. Okay, so we need to press in. We need to press in, and now the repair is finished. The repair is finished. Just only the spring is weak. So thank you guys. I hope you are learning my simple blog, simple tutorial in automotive electrical system. The engine late cranking, not cranking properly. This is also one cause. This is also the one cause of the problem. So if you remember this problem, do it yourself. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and help me to grow my channel and earn more, because I do this because of my college fund to my son. Thank you, and help me. So I'm sure you are enjoying my blog. Thank you very much, and more to upload video removal and starter installation, lubricate the power window switch, repair the inhibitor switch, and how to install AC cuts. Thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.